critical. What all things you need to know when you do a media planning, right? Product knowledge. As an agency, I need to have a good product knowledge, market insights, audience insights, historic performance of the campaign performed in the past, seasonality you need to see, and what is competition. This is a framework which is very critical, but this is the stage where I'm going to spend good amount of time with you guys. Okay. So this is a media planning stage. Okay. This is a continuous basis. Now tell me one thing. If you guys are a publisher, say a Facebook or a Google or Times of India, what stage you would like to be involved with the brand? Or what stage an agency will involve you? You guys got all my query? I mean, clear with my query. At what stage an agency will call you for the campaign? Wow, pitch silent, huh? I mean, I can't. I mean, are you guys following? I hope you guys are following, guys. Please query, ask questions because it is important to understand. Siddharth, can't hear you.
Market analysis.
Market analysis. That's the stage you're saying that you should be involved to?
Yeah, because this is a market analysis. They'll find out what they need to do. Is what
okay, brilliant. I'll come back to your answer. Okay, Niharika, what do you think? What stage you should have been part of?
Setting the strategy, maybe, so they can decide as in how much they have to target.
Okay, makes sense. Rahul, what do you think?
Sorry, establishing the media objective.
Okay, interesting. What about the rest? Janelle, what do you think? Is she there? Oh, I didn't see her today. I don't know why she is not there. Just give me a second, guys. Oh yeah, she's not there. I don't know why. Was she there? I don't know. You guys saw her? She was there in the when we started?
No, she was not there at the starting.
No problem. I'll check with her. Okay. Tishika, what do you think? Not clear. Your voice is not clear.
I feel market analysis.
Okay, market analysis. Okay. Bharat, what do you think? Bharat, you there?
I repeat the question because I just took a break for 2 minutes.
No problem. So I'm saying if an agency wants to involve a publisher, like a Facebook or a Times of India, at what stage of media planning they should involve? These are the different stages over here. So Siddharth and Tishika said market analysis. Rahul said establish goal. Niharika said setting the strategy. What do you think? What stage they should involve the agency? I mean, agency should involve the publisher.
This should involve publisher. Okay.
Sorry?
While implementation, I think.
Implementation stage, okay. Okay. So now the guys who said market analysis, that's Siddharth and Trishika. So now tell me, in real life scenario, when is the publisher actually called for? This is what you gave me an understanding that kahan par ideally hona chahiye. But in real life scenario, agency involved publisher at what stage?
After deciding the media objective.
After deciding, so at a strategy level, okay. Technically, 95% of the time, agency involved the supplier at selection of supplier. Okay, and this is the biggest problem when it comes to media industry in India. All this stage are actually done between the agency and client. A publisher is not at all involved at these 3 levels. They are only involved at selection of supplier. मैंने जब बताया ना आपको ये सब plans ये सब दिखाया ना. All this level, all agencies only does it. And now once agreement is done with the client, that's when I called Siddharth, you are a part of Facebook, here you go your campaign. Rahul, you're part of India Times, here you go your campaign. Niharika, you're part of say Dairy Hunt, here you go your campaign. So technically what is happening is all the publishers have become more of a executor rather than being part of it. So net, as rightly said by Siddharth and Tashika, you should be involved at a market analysis level and not even established media. I'll tell you why. You remember I showed you that example of American Express example for Facebook campaign when we are doing social media. You guys remember the video of American Express? That how Facebook came along with American Express. You guys remember?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if that happened only because they were involved at this level, if that wouldn't have happened and they would have involved them at this level, you would have just seen a sponsored newsfeed ad of an MX, which says buy MX. That's it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Moment you involved a publisher at a higher level, the output of the campaign will be much better. The reason is because agency will do their role in terms of doing all the analysis. Client will do all their running around and analysis. Even the publisher now has become a partner with you in your campaign. And moment they become a partner with you, the output of the campaign is what you saw of American Express or any other campaigns. Is where, like for example, sorry, Rajiv, go ahead.
It's all about, whether it's a transaction or a relationship.
It's all, you bang on. I mean, I cannot agree more than that. It's all about, like Khan Khajuraho station. Do you think it's the job of selection of supplier में कहाँ आएगा वो? कोई scope ही नहीं है कोई कर पाएगा. But that came of an idea because at this level, all of them came together and they came up with an idea of Khan Khajuraho station. Otherwise, it will never work. And I'll tell you one company, like in my life, wherever I worked, I've always made sure that as a company, whether I work with Comly or Yahoo or a Facebook or any company, we have to be involved at this level, especially for you, Siddharth. Very, very, very critical to be involved at a market analysis level. Because if you're not involved at this level, trust me, you will be just doing something called as maintenance marketing. What is maintenance marketing means? Siddharth, Facebook के साथ हो या ना हो, Facebook को वो पैसा मिलने वाला है. नेहारिका डेली हंट के साथ हो या ना हो, नेहारिका को वो पैसा, डेली हंट को वो पैसा मिलने वाला. So that means your existence as a company in a company is nothing, just taking the RO and executing. If you want to really put a stamp in the company as a case study and for your own career, you need to make sure your brand or the agency is involving you at a marketing analysis level. Otherwise, you will just be an executor. And from a client perspective, it is critical to be involved at this level because if you're not involved, you will not really get the output. And one company I've seen done a brilliant job is Facebook and Google. They're by far one of the best company to involve. And I'll tell you why, guys, what they do. I myself have done, I'll give my own example. Okay. So there was this 2014 election when obviously Modi was supposed to win. We already knew a date of election date, right? We all were aware that some 24th of May or something, 2014. At that time, we went to a brand called Brooke Bond. You guys remember Brooke Bond, right? They are very edgy. They don't take any side, but they take a very strong, like they always show a Muslim goes into a Hindu place and hefty, something which is bonding. So we actually came up with an idea and we told them that why don't we do something different for Brooke Bond on that day. So what happened is we went on a market analysis level to understand what will be the sentiment of people when a particular politician wins it. We understand the objective, we created a strategy and we ran a campaign. Guys, it was one of the biggest campaign for Unilever. It worked wonders because the analysis was done at that level. Let me give you another example. There is this product of FMCG Vaseline face ka charger. It's basically for a men product, face ka charger. And Varun Dhawan was their brand ambassador. You know what we did at Facebook? We actually got involved at market analysis level. And for that, a sales guy need to be very smart to understand and get those information at an early stage. Otherwise, you will be getting information at this stage, then you've lost it. So we knew about this product coming up. We actually did a 3-party meeting. Who was the part of it? Facebook, agency who's releasing for the client, and a creative agency, and the client themselves. All of us gathered into one room and we did a brainstorming for 2 days and we come up with a brilliant idea. And why this really works, guys, because if a client have a budget of say 50 lakhs rupees, normally when you get as a selection of a supplier, you will get 2 to 5 lakhs rupees for a campaign. But if you want a maximum pie of this 50 lakhs, you need to be involved at this level. And the moment you're involved at this level, trust my words, maximum of this budget will come to that company. And no better company than Facebook and Google does this well. So net, from a planner perspective, very critical. From a client perspective, very critical to involve planners, the publishers. So your output really comes very well. Net, this is how the stage are. And then obviously implementation, follow-up are the part and parcel of life. Net, as Siddharth and Trishika rightly suggested, market analysis is the place. Everybody needs to be involved. If you're a publisher, you need to be involved at that. If you're an agency, you need to be involved at that level. I've seen some of the agency client relation, as Rajiv rightly mentioned, they don't have that great relationship. So agency kab aata hai? Setting up a strategy ke time. So ye aur ye ke time agency involved hi nahi hota. So that again is a loss for an agency. So net, most critical piece and the stages of media planning, market analysis, and then move on with the partners at a different level. Right? Any questions or any query?
Yeah, Pritesh, a campaign
Yes.
like